As I have said in my Somewhere Over the Rainbow video, if you haven't seen it, I will link it above. I was going to do a little shout out to a local salon that I am partnering with. Now, when I say partnering, I do not mean a paid collaboration. Basically, I walked in, really liked the experience, posted about it, got along with the staff, and now I get to give a review about the product. I just wanted to let you guys know that dynamic. So, to start off first, the salon is called Essense Salon and it's in London, Ontario, located on Warncliffe Road. I really love this little hidden gem. Quick backstory about how I found them. My fiance decided to take me out for my hair. I box dye my hair quite a bit. Honestly, I did not take good care of my hair. You can see that your girl literally messed with her hair more often than she did take care of it. I literally have been to a salon professionally maybe 3 times in my life. So keep in mind I'm 29 years old, so that should tell you something. Basically, I have salon phobia from my experiences before this one. And like most women, I literally just stuck to box dyes thinking that it's the exact same thing, that the cost is way better. Basically though, I was very reluctant about going into the salon. I was brought in and I was welcomed to a beautiful place. The salon is breathtaking and the staff are so kind. The one thing I did notice is the variety of staff, like the types of people that are there. And they're all different and they all have their own flair. But it was awesome. They got my hair really nice back to where it's supposed to be. It feels amazing. And the thing is, with this experience, it was about the experience and the results. That's what I felt like they focused on. The whole time I was struggling with my anxiety, as I would because of waiting for the results. But they did a bunch of really fun stuff to make me feel better. They chatted with me, and I also got to take this really awesome photo with the girls because they really cheered me up. So after that, my hair did look substantially better. And you can see actually the before and after. But nonetheless, I wanted to share this part of my story to explain how I met the salon and how I got to know who they are and appreciate who they are and the experience that they specifically customized for myself. And I'm really excited because I get to talk about some really awesome hair products. It's done wonders for my hair, and honestly, like, I've been using it for about 3 months. I've noticed a huge difference from my original shampoo. The product is called Eufora. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Honestly, it's a great product, and I will do a more deep dive video within this week to let you guys know a little bit more about it and each step behind it and what they actually recommend, because Essence actually did provide me a lot of information to let you guys know how best to use these products. Damage repair, so this stuff is amazing. Be prepared, I will be giving more information about the Eufora shampoo and conditioner, and I also have a leave-in conditioner that I will be giving reviews on. I'm really excited because that is a product I have yet to try. I'm excited to tell you about this shampoo and conditioner, what my personal experience is with it, and I will also give you a little bit more information. And before I leave, I would like to just finish with my final plug for Essense Salon, an amazing local salon in London, Ontario. I really do recommend, if you do not have a salon or are looking for somebody to go to, I do recommend going there. They're an amazing group of people. The ladies are so welcoming, and please tell them I sent you. Also, with the Eufora products, I will be giving a little bit more information about that. That will be coming in due time, so please feel free to subscribe to my videos and you will get more information about that as well. And if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I appreciate everything that you guys all do. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my little plug here. It means a lot. And until next time, guys, I will see you all later. And stay beautiful, stay kind, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!